Mikey, you ready to try some avocado? No? What do you think? What do you think? How's avocado? It's new, isn't it? Want to try again? Gotta take 3 bites before you make a real decision about it. Food. Food. Want to try some more? The 3rd bite and see if you like it? Food. Food. Nom, 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 nom. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, yeah, you like it? Yeah.